Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use Google Authenticator app for Binance. In order to do this, you first have to download and install the Google Authenticator mobile application in your device, and then you just have to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you need to provide your email address and password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you are on the home page, you need to tap on this Binance icon in the top left hand corner. Once you do this, you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see your profile as well as your name on the top. So you need to tap on this section, and then you will be landed on your account info page where among the given options you will have to tap on security. Now if you tap on security, you will be redirected in two-factor authentication section where you are going to see the option of Authenticator app. So if you tap on Authenticator app, then you will be asked to download an Authenticator application, which we have already downloaded. So you will have to press this enable button. After pressing this enable button, you will have to launch your Google Authenticator mobile application where you are going to see this plus icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So if you tap on this plus icon, you are going to see two options that would allow you to add your Binance mobile application in Google Authenticator. You can either add a QR code or you can even enter a setup key. So you can choose any of the options that is best suitable for you. For this video, I'm going to select it as enter a setup key, and if you have selected the same, then you will be asked to provide the account name as well as the key. So in order to get this key, you will have to come to your Binance mobile application again, and once you tap on enable, you are going to see this link and authenticator page where you can copy the 16-digit key from here, and if you have chosen the QR code option, then you can even scan the QR code by scanning this QR code in this section. Now over here, after copying this key, you will have to come to this page again, and you need to paste that key over here and then press add. Afterwards, you need to press next in the bottom. Then you will be asked to provide the code that they have sent on the Authenticator application. So in your Authenticator application, you are going to see a 6-digit code which you need to copy and paste it over here and then press submit. Once it is verified, you will be shown this prompt which says Authenticator app verification is successful. It simply means that you have successfully linked your Google Authenticator application with Binance, and now you have provided extra security to your Binance application. Now whenever you try to log in into your account, you need to have that Google Authenticator application and you need to verify your Binance account with the 6-digit verification code. Only then you will be able to log in into your account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.